How to remove Meta account from Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to remove the Meta account from Facebook, make sure that you first of all go to the settings of your device and then scroll down to apps and then tap on manage apps over here. Now you just have to search for the Facebook application on your device from the app list over here. Now just scroll down and find the Facebook application. After that, you can tap on clear data where you can clear cache as well as clear all data. Then you just have to tap on uninstall this application on your device and you have to reinstall the older version of the Facebook application where the Meta application or the Meta account is not available in the Facebook application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.